Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, we will be talking about this keyword. So let's start. C++, this keyword. In C++ programming, this is a keyword that refers to the current instant of a class. It can be used to pass current object as a parameter to another method. So over here, this is a keyword is used as a syntax. Okay, so you cannot use it as a variable. So why don't we move to code block so that I can show you about this keyword to get a better understanding. So let's move to code blocks. So let's start coding. We will be including the header files, include IOStream. Why are we using IOStream over here? Because we need cout and cin. I will be using namespace std. Okay. Now I will be creating a class as employee over here, okay, in which I will be keeping a public. Everyone know that public is a keyword, and I have told you about public in an access modifier. I will be creating an integer id, then I will be creating a string, okay, having a name. So these are the instant variables over here. I will be creating a float as a salary, okay. Then I will be creating a constructor over here, and a constructor always has the name similar to the class. So I have created a constructor. I will be writing integer id, string as a name, and float as a salary. So this constructor is a parameterized constructor. Okay, now I will be using this keyword and a pointer to point that this id is equal to id. Okay, so this is keyword is referring to id. It is showing directly to the instant variable that id is equal to id. So again, this using this one, I will be putting as name is equal to name. Similarly, for the salary also, I will be using this thing that the salary is equal to salaries. So it is showing to the instance variable. Okay, so outside this function, I will be creating another function that is void display that will be helping us to display. Okay, so I will be writing cout id. Okay, then I will be writing cout name. Then I will be writing salary. Okay, and then I will be salary. Then I will be giving end of the line statement over here. Now what we have to do, we will be creating a main function over here. In main function, I will be calling the constructors. I will be saying whenever we will be creating an object, a constructor is called. So I will be writing employee. Okay, employee as, let's suppose, e1, and I will be as a constructor is called. So over here we are having a parameterized constructor, so we have to pass the parameters. Okay, so first of all I will be passing the id, then I will be passing the name. Name should be in single quotations or a double quotations. So I will be writing as a name of Edutainer. Then I will pass the salaries. So we have passed the salary right now. So I have created an object e1. Okay, now I will be using this object. I will be calling a display function so that it will be displaying. Yes, sorry, the object is e1. Now I will be compiling the program and running it. So okay, the name was not declared. Let's see. Name was not declared in the scope. Okay, we are having name as string name. something. Okay, sorry. We will be defining this thing inside the class. So this should be coming like this. Okay. So that void display function should be displayed inside the class. Okay. So I will be again compiling and running the program. So you can see that I got the constructor has been called, which is displaying the values as 101 edutainer 5140. 101 is a ID, edutainer is a name, and 51420 is a salary. Similarly, I can create another object. I will be copying this thing. Similarly, I will be creating another object we can name as E2, and I will be changing the ID as 107, and we can take a name like John, and its salary is around like I will be creating 50,000. Okay, so I will be calling again display function using the object that is E2 dot display. Now I'll be compiling the program again. So you can see this time two constructors have been called, 107 John 50,000. Okay, so this is why we use this. So means it will be referring to the instant variable. Thank you.